Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. Then again, 1 minus 13 is equal to minus 12. Okay. So, 12 minus 12, 12 multiply minus 12 is equal to minus 144. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So let's remove this first. Okay. Now PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 13 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 13 is equal to minus 12. Okay. Now 13. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to the PEMDAS, first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction. 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 12 is equal to plus 12. Okay. Now 13 plus 12 is equal to 25. Okay, so the correct answer is 25. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.